Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here with another Proto Tech Tip. Now this week, I'm gonna show you 3 tools that can help you design faster and cut down on latencies in your design to manufacturing workflow. So let's get into it. Here at Protocase and ProtoSpace Mfg, our main goal is to help you get your projects done faster. We call this revolutionary model High Velocity Mass Customization, or HVMC for short. We achieve this with our super fast 2 to 3 day turnaround times for custom parts, but we also want to accelerate other aspects of the design and manufacturing process. Now, to help you save time while designing, we do have a few free tools and software that you can use, and in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through 3 of them. 3 of our customers' favorites. First up, we have the template generator. This is a free, easy to use tool that lets you quickly create custom CAD templates for over 50 different styles of enclosures, brackets, and panels. You'll be starting with a design that we can actually manufacture here at Protocase and ProtoSpace Mfg. All you have to do is head over to our website, provide your specs, and we'll send you a blank CAD template. You can then open that template in your preferred CAD software and all the customizations you need. I've dropped a link in the description, but just so you know, the template generator is also available inside my account. Alright, so once you have your template, the next step is to customize it. A big part of that is adding things like cutouts for things like connectors, displays, and switches. This is where our Cutout Library comes in handy. It's a huge collection of cutout patterns for all sorts of accessories that you would mount on an enclosure or panel like fans, LEDs, and other receptacles. So instead of having to create all those cutouts from scratch, you can find the exact patterns that you need in seconds. You can download any cutout that you need from the library as either a DXF or a SolidWorks part file. And hey, if you can't find the specific cutout that you are looking for, just put in a request. We'll get it created and added to the library for you. Just like the template generator, you can find the Cutout Library on our website. I've dropped the link in the description below. Alright, the last one that I want to go over is a big one. Let's talk about our CAD software, Protocase Designer and ProtoSpace Designer. Now with this software, you can design all sorts of things like custom electronic enclosures, brackets, panels, and even machined parts. And the best part, it's incredibly simple to use. You do not need to be a CAD expert to get the hang of it. It even comes with built-in templates, so you're not starting from a blank slate. Plus, it has live manufacturability checks built right into the software itself. This means that as you're designing, the software will let you know if your design can actually be made so that you can customize with confidence. And to top it all off, you can get quotes and order your designs instantly. No waiting around for any back and forth conversation, it's directly in the software. To download Protocase or ProtoSpace Designer, just head on over to either website. If you work in aerospace and defense, that's where you're going to go on to ProtoSpaceDesigner.com. So there you have it, 3 awesome tools that can help you get your custom parts designed faster, saving you valuable time and effort. Whether you're using the template generator to get a head start, the Cutout Library to accelerate your customization, or Protocase Designer or ProtoSpace Designer for an all-in-one solution, our goal is to accelerate your project velocity from start to finish. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next Proto Tech Tip coming your way every week. Until next time, take care.